सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को तो ज़रूर दबाइए क्योंकि मैं ऐसे हर रोज़ हैकिंग और टेक्निकल वीडियोस show you 3 things which you can do with your smartphone. So let's get started. So for this, first one is you have to open your camera, open it and take any one remote. For this I am taking GPL remote. You can see this. The thing is that the rays which come from the remote you cannot see with your eyes, but you can see with camera. So when I press any keys, you can see the rays, but this rays you can't see with your eyes because it's a UV rays. That's the one. So our second is you need to open your settings. This only works in MI phones. Those who have MI phones, they can try this. For this, you have to go to notification and status bar and go down, and here you can see show carrier name, and below that you can see edit carrier name. For this, open the edit carrier name. Yes, you will see here the names which you can give. You can give any name which you want to show in your status bar. So I will give my channel name. So you can see this my channel name has came here. So my second theme, which is Geo, I can give anything. I can give YouTube also. So like this you can give any name, and you can give your emojis also. There you go. And second, you can give emojis, anything. So like this you can edit your carrier name. So next is, this only works in MI phones. Next is to open the compass. This is the compass which you can see all the directions. This does not give in any other phone, which I got it only in MI. So you can see this direction. This is exactly the same direction which is only get in MI. If you leave this phone anywhere, it will start moving according to the Earth's movement. Or you can go here. So this is the thing which you can do with your smartphone. Like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel.
Fire when the strong hits you.
That's it, friend.